mathematicians! We are practicing math by doing one word problem a day. Today, our problem is called basketball points. LeBron scored 25 points in the first half and 18 points in the second half. He also made 3 free throws, worth 1 point each. How many points did he score in total? All right, let's highlight that important information. He scored 25 points in the first half and 18 in the second. So we're going to highlight 25 points and 18 points. And then we're also going to highlight 3 free throws worth 1 point each. That's our important information. How many points did he score in total? So I want you to pause and try this problem by yourself. That's how you're going to improve. And then we can do it together and check your answer. Okay, let's jump in. I always like to write down all of the important information. I'm going to think, what is this problem about? What's the situation? It's basketball. I know it seems silly to do that, but we're priming our brain and getting all the information that we know about basketball in our brain, opening up those pathways. Next, we're going to write down all the information that we know. We know he scored 25 points. He also scored 18 points. And then 3 free throws. And since they're worth 1 point each, that would be another 3 points. And we're looking for the total. What operation did you use here? Often when we're looking for a total, we can use addition to solve. So I'm going to add 25, 18, and 3. I've stacked my numbers by place value. First, I'm going to add 5 plus 8 plus 3, which is 16. And then I'm going to add 2 plus 1, which is 3. But I have another 10 from my ones column. So LeBron scored 46 points in total. And I used that green highlighting to help me write my sentence. Did you get the same answer as me? It's okay if you didn't. Let's keep practicing. Thanks for watching.